Alright, we're gonna do the setup for the fingers, the advanced setup. So first thing first, you need to have a controller as the main one, as the hand. So you can create one controller for it. So this one will be like finger, control. Alright, and then you can group it. So group. Alright, then we need to have like area of fingers there. So we need to have like index, middle, ring fingers, pinky, and thumbs. So just do more of it. One more. So you can use the naming tools in here. Search and replace. So I just search the name. Finger to thumb. Okay, this one is thumb. Second will be the index. Third will be the middle finger. And then the ring finger. And lastly is the pinky. Alright, there we can clean up the naming. All this group, we can put it into the fingers control group inside. So overall, it'll be looking like this. Alright, after we name it, so we can do one more naming for it, because right now the naming will be clashed with our old controller's name in here, so we can edit a little bit. Sorry, one. Alright, so in earlier, so the left, get one more, once. Okay, once. Apply. So the name will be there. Alright, so now that we got our all control inside here, this will be the main, all this will be the sub. So we can change a little bit of the side, the shape first. Alright, the main one in here, I'll edit the shape. Maybe slightly like this. That's my arm shape, the hand shape. So this one is starting of it. Alright, all this small one, align to it. You can make it slightly smaller a little bit first. Alright, so the thumb, just move the group bar. Thumb the first area. Index will be here. Middle will be here. Ring will be here. And lastly will be the pinky. Okay, this one just for selection for them to move together along. But this one we won't use to anyway, so later we change it to maybe more smaller, or maybe you can tweak this one later on. This one is optional. Alright, now that we can move our shape into our hand area. Around it, maybe you can do a little bit of rotation, or do a 90 here. Alright, roughly like this. Okay, so you can put it, your shape there, or maybe you want to do a finger shape, up to you. So you put it on there, later we do the connection. Alright, after finish, we use this controller, drive our hand fingers control here. So in our finger control group, right, we need to check, is it the axis? It's okay for us to play it. Okay. Alright, check our axis in here, check your group. We're gonna do for all our group connection. So you can see right now, the group in here, you can say it's a little bit dirty. Okay, we want it to be clean, so we can edit it. So that, okay, you can do it like this. Okay, select the group, you group it again. Okay, you based on here, insert one group for you, and this one will be the clean one. The axis will be same, just the group become clean. Alright, so we need this one individual group in every of our controller here. Alright, and I see one thing is that your final this control, right? This one doesn't need the fourth one. This one is extra. We don't need for the extra this one. So this, I think we can remove it temporarily. It doesn't need this one. Alright. Hey, why these fingers got the connection from these two places? This one is wrong. Your last time the fingers you did wrong already. Alright, so by this, okay, we need to have extra group on top of it. So maybe this one we can run a script for it. We generate a script to head it to create extra group for us. Alright, so this one you do others play do other place. Alright, so with that tools, okay, you can see, okay, example, let's say I select this controller already. I click the script. It will help me to create one controller here. Okay, one group. Sorry. Why this one got value? Alright, after we get the script ready, every controller will also need this AX group. Alright, for the thumb, you can select the controllers. Let me try multiple controller when I click it. Okay, so you can see every controller, it gives you the group there. Okay, the clean group in here. So same things on all fingers, we need to create that things. If your fingers, controllers on top of it doesn't have, so just create one. So all of them, you want to see the X is there. Alright, so let's create for this. The three have already, just 1, 2. The pinky. Alright, so now all of it should have the X group. Let me check. Finger control group, this one have. Second one, the ring finger also have. Middle finger have. Index have. And thumb also have. So all of them, they have the controls there. So now we can continue. Alright, after it, we can use this one to connect our stuff in here. Alright, so now that when we create, the value is very small. When they like, last time they had test already, I can show you roughly the ideas how it works. Connection editor. Let me make a shortcut. Alright, so show non-keyable. So for this one, is for the thumbs. Thumb is for this. Alright, so select this one as the AX group. Here, only show non-keyable. When the translate of these controllers go up, okay, this AX group need to rotate this axis. Okay, but when you see this one is rotate X. This one to rotate X. Okay, you can see right now, when I drag up and down, the value is too small. You can see it's too small. I want to like maybe I do until here, then the finger is already until the area that I want. So I might need to multiply this value, make it more bigger. So we're gonna use the multiply, divide, and the node editor to play with this. Okay, so that's the ideas. But how we're gonna do it? We won't connect one by one into here because we need to have extra node on top of it. So we did connect first. Right now, go to your node editor. Inside your node editor, you can select your fingers controller one by one. This one no need. We only need this controller. We don't need the shape. Okay. Multiply, divide. Name it left thumb AX multiply divide. Alright. Translate Y. Connect to 1. Okay. Then when we drag forward and backwards, okay, the finger go up and down. So we're gonna use this Z, okay, as input 1Y. The rest no need. We will not using this one, the left and right lah. But if you want, then we can add it later on. Alright. Afterwards, okay, this one, the main controller, sorry, the main fingers, this AX, we bring inside here. These two, to put it down a little bit. The output on here, the Y will be connect our fingers on these two sections. The second, the first one, you connect the first section. Alright, so rotation of this is the X. So X connect to X here. This Y connect to the rest of the two fingers. Okay, the value in here you can do multiply by 10. Now that when I go up, okay, it will be easier to move. When I go forward, the fingers will bend forward and backwards. Is it bending? Why does the axis look so weird? This joint didn't constrain. That's why. Controller to the joint, constrain parent. Now that when I move, it will be look like this. This is up down. If you find out the value right, let's say now when I push down, the controller is going up. You can flip the value in your multiply. This one, make it get -10. So we'll flip the numbers. When down, you go down. When it's up, the finger is up. This one is front, this one is back. Okay, now should be fine. So the first part of the finger is finished. Now can go to the second. Same idea. Okay, now this one we can clean it up. We don't need this anymore. Clean it up. Bring a controller inside. The shape put away. So this one is for index. Index 1, 2, 3. Bring inside. Put a label aside. Go to multiply divide. Okay. Translate Y. We'll be going to first. Sorry, translate Y will be going to first. And then translate Z. We'll be going to the second. Okay. This one, the first one, multiply by 10. This one should be 10. And the output, the first one, rotate, and here. The Y will go to the first one. This one, the second one, you go to the second and third. Second and third rotation. Alright. Now that when you move up down, okay, it's correct. Forward is going inside, backwards is going outside. So that you can do this. Okay, idea will be same. So connect on these three again, same things. Alright, after the thumbs and the index, we'll continue to move on to the others. Alright, the middle. This one no need. Multiply, divide. Middle finger. 1, 2, 3. Go inside. Translate Y to the first one, Z to the second. Output. First we go to the first one, second we go to the second and third. Alright. The value we fix it. This one should be 10, this should be -10. Name it F middle X and D. Alright. Then with the ring fingers. Okay, so I remove temporary. Ring finger here. Go inside. Apply divide. Left ring X empty. Then First one go to here, second go to here and here. Alright, ring finger complete. Lastly will be the pinky. I'll just duplicate the multiply divide to here. This one be here, this one be here. Then this one. Pinky. 1, 2, and 3. Put it inside. 2 and 3 will be playing here. This one will be the first, second, and third. Alright, after you complete, select the finger controllers, go up, down together, or bend together. Oh, one is not going correctly. This one, the middle, is the axis correct? Right, I need to check it. Connecting to the wrong one. It should be connecting to the X. Okay. Middle finger. This one is correct. This one is wrong. Okay. Now that you need to select and remove. That is correct. What's bending in? What's bending out? Moving like this. Okay, with the thumb together. Okay, so you can have this very smooth animation when collected. So this one is for the fingers.